Ballotin Boxes by Colorel are ideal for packaging chocolate truffles and pralines, all while keeping contents beautifully presented and securely protected. Our Ballotin Boxes are FDA approved and made from premium coated paperboard, the gold standard for texture, firmness, and workability. They are appreciated for their sleek, tapered look and elegant finish. Our Ballotin Boxes are easy to assemble and scratch-resistant, making them a pleasure to handle and ensuring a clean, professional presentation every time. For extra stability, padding, and an elevated look, consider our matching trays and pads, as well as our brown candy cups and wrapping foils. For craftsmanship, quality, and precision, choose Colorel's Ballotin Boxes.